In this video, I will show you how to use animation BlendTree. So this is to have different animation like idle, walk back, walk front, left, right. And the software will use one of them depending of the direction where the character go. Okay, so before to follow this tutorial, be sure that you know already how to animate in Unity. Okay, you need to know the basics of the animation in Unity. So here I have this character from Mixamo and I downloaded this animation from Mixamo also. So idle, walk in 4 direction, front, back, left, right. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, um, I will load one animation just to show you. Okay, so I have this character human here. I will close the other. I will just drag and drop my animation, and in animation I will play it. Okay, so you must check them first. Be sure everything is okay. So you check one by one, and here the loop must be on. Okay, otherwise it will do only one step and after it will stop. Okay, so here I just tested this idle. He created this animator animation one. So when I have animation, I have all the animation here. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the animator. Okay, so again, test all your animation one by one on your character first, but me, I already did it. So animator, I will put it here so I can see my character in the same time. In this animator, yeah, I must select it. I have the classic animation things, and what I will do, I will remove this one. I don't need it because by default state is not one animation. The by default will be tree. So I create not an empty state, but a new node from new BlendTree. Okay, so here, this one I will double click and it will open this BlendTree you see here. So you have base layer, and if you double click here, you have the BlendTree. Okay, so when you are in the BlendTree, what we will do, first we will rename it. Good to call it, for example, motion. So when the character is in motion, I will add animation. Okay, and now I will select a mode. So when I select it here, the blend type is 1D. So me, I will select a 2D simple direction. So depending of the X and Y axis, I will activate this on this animation. So here you see the parameter should be X and Y, but I have only blend or blend. So why? It's because if I select this object here and if I go in the parameter, I have only one parameter blend. So I don't need it actually, this one. I don't think so. So I will create a new one. I create a new float, so it will be X. Okay, and another one, new float, it will be Y. Okay, by default they are at 0. Later this one will take these two parameters, the blend tree. So now that I have that, I can go here and say, okay, I will select these two parameters to launch my animation. So here you see these two parameters are here, and later we will be able to change them. What else? So I think now we can just load this animation. So here, the motion, so far there is no animation inside, so I will create my animation. So there is a idle, so I will add motion field idle, front walk, back walk, right, and left. So I have five animation. Okay, so here I have 5 columns here. And here I will just drag this animation. So by default, I will put idle. After, the order is not important, but I will put front, back, right, and left. Okay, so now what you have here, this is a top view. And for each animation, it will tell you there will be a point, a blue point here. And this blue point it means that if my character go in this direction, it will launch this animation. So for the idle, I need no movement. When there is no movement in X and Y, I don't, I use the idle, sorry. For the front, I will use 0, 1. Okay, so you see this blue point moved here. Okay, I can also move it manually, but better to put 0, 1. So we just create a vector. For walk back, it will be 0, -1, of course. Walk right, I don't remember. Yeah, it's 1, 0. And walk left, 0, 1. Okay. No, sorry. -1, 0. Okay, so I have this 4 position, and now it will already be able to move depending of the position of my character. So here, to test it, I must play. And here you will see, if I put the slider on the right, it go on the right. Left, it go on the left. Okay. And here, front, back. If I move it just a little bit, you see it will move just a little bit. But here you will have problem of slides. Huh? So after that, this is another thing to work on that I will not speak about in this video. So what we can also see here, there is this map, and what I can do, this red point, I can move it. So here, you see, he walk front, he walk back, right, or left. And what you will see, it's I can do a mix. So I can walk front, but with a bit of back, right, and progressively he will walk on the right. Or here he will walk back. So I can mix, okay? And of course, if these mix are not good enough, you can, why not, create more lines and create, why not, a blue spot here, okay? So that's all. Of course, this one will depend of what you have before. So depending of the movement of this character, it will launch the body animation that you prepared. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.